Hey y'all, I'm Reba. Today we are going to make some plant-based burgers. These patties have sun-dried tomatoes, artichokes, tons of basil and other fresh herbs. They melt in your mouth. They're warm and moist on the inside and crispy on the outside. Melt just a little bit of non-dairy mozzarella cheese on them. So good, you're gonna love it. We're gonna start with some beans that I cooked in the Instant Pot this morning. I soaked them last night. I just used some beans that I had on hand, and I cooked up one sweet potato in the pressure cooker. That's also gonna help give it a really nice color. We're gonna add in some of our herbs. I'm gonna do a little lemon thyme, which will make it taste really fresh. Some oregano. Tons of basil. And rosemary. This is the first year that I've grown lots of herbs, and I just try to put them in everything. And I add just a little bit of dill. More oregano, just whatever fresh or dried herbs you have on hand to give it extra flavor. Lots of basil. Then I'm going to do a couple tablespoons of flax. This is about a cup of rolled oats that I just pulsed in a little blender, and you use just what you need. So you gotta kind of have to play with it and pulse. Looking good. Now, let's add in some more of our ingredients. I'm gonna do some sun-dried tomatoes, a couple tablespoons. Heaping teaspoon of garlic. A couple artichoke hearts, and maybe 3. About a teaspoon of turmeric, little black pepper, some onion powder, and we're going to pulse again. Need a little bit more oats, but I'm going to put this in a bowl first. And then add in more oats. You need it moist but not too moist. So now we're just going to see till it gets to a consistency that you can make a patty out of. And on these, I'm going to air fry them. Oh, that sun-dried tomato smells so good. So that was a cup of oats pulsed. And now it's a really nice consistency. And we're just going to press into a patty. And it's nice and sticky, so they're going to stay together pretty well. The great thing too about these is after you cook them, you can throw them in the freezer and microwave them later. Y'all, I don't want to brag, but those plant-based burgers were fabulous.